If you're struggling to cut proper slices, you've got to start using the back slice. Have you ever sliced something and then this happens? It sticks to the knife. You've got to change the way you slice. Instead of chopping, start slicing like this. Angle the tip of the knife on the cutting board and rest the blade against your knuckles. Then pull back while maintaining the same angle. This way, whatever you're slicing doesn't stick to the blade, and you'll get perfect slices every time. Wunderbar! This is how you can turn your homemade kimchi into a crunchy grilled cheese. Alright! 150 grams raw milk cheddar, 150 grams kimchi, 2 chopped spring onions, and 1 egg. Mix together. Use 4 slices of sourdough to form 2 sandwiches. Butter the outer sides, add the filling, and close the sandwich. Then fry for 2 minutes on each side while weighing them down with a pestle and mortar. Just like that. Wunderbar! A homemade Wiener Schnitzel. Brush some cling film with oil, then cover the veal with another layer. Pound until half a centimeter thick. Let's spread the schnitzel. Brush both sides with water and season with salt. Then gently cover with flour and shake off the excess. Turn in 2 lightly beaten eggs and finally coat with breadcrumbs. Melt 150 grams of butter in a pan. Skim off the froth, then pour into a jug, making sure to leave the leftover milk solids behind. Heat the clarified butter in a pan and fry the schnitzel for 1 minute on both sides, shaking the pan so that the hot butter runs over the top. Then serve with a slice of lemon and a dollop of mustard. Wunderbar! This is an easy way to make kimchi at home. Make a brine with 50 grams salt and 1 liter of water. Add all of the veg to a bowl and pour over the brine. Leave for 24 hours. Drain the veg but keep the brine. Then rinse under cold water and squeeze out the moisture. 10 garlic cloves, 20 grams ginger, 1 shallot and 70 milliliters water. Blend into a paste and add to the vegetables along with 100 grams gochujang. Mix together. Then pack into a jar, top it up with a bit more of the brine, then leave to ferment for several days, making sure to submerge the top every day until it tastes sour and begins to bubble. Wunderbar! This homemade lemonade will get you through the hottest summer days. Alright! Try to find some with the leaves on. They're so fragrant. Peel the zest of 5 lemons and juice the fruits to get around 300 milliliters. Slightly break a handful of leaves to release their aroma. Then slice around 40 grams of ginger, 100 grams cane sugar, 750 milliliters water, add the lemon peels, along with the leaves and the ginger. Slowly bring to a boil, then turn off the heat and leave to infuse for 30 minutes. Strain the liquid and add the lemon juice. Then filter into a bottle and keep in the fridge. Wunderbar! Let's make an Indian breakfast curry. Alright! 1 tablespoon of ghee, a quarter teaspoon coriander seeds, 10 dried curry leaves until toasted, 1 garlic clove, and a quarter teaspoon of chili powder, a quarter teaspoon turmeric, and half a teaspoon garam masala. Then add 2 large tomatoes, 1 small aubergine, and half a teaspoon salt. Add 10 grams chopped coriander, 100 milliliters of water, and the eggs. Cook for 5 minutes until thickened. Wunderbar! Have you ever sliced something without feeling fully in control over the blade? You've got to change the way you hold your knife. This is my #1 tip that helped me improve my knife skills. Alright! Instead of just holding the handle, use your thumb and index finger to grip the blade. Then rest the blade against your knuckles as a guide and start slicing. This way, the knife becomes an extension of the hand and you have much more control over how you slice. Wunderbar! Loads of you couldn't believe that it would work with anything else but a soft avocado. But it does! It works with pretty much everything like cucumbers, carrots, apples, onions, and even potatoes. Wunderbar!
Oh, yes!